Hi guys, today I show you how to replace transmission oil on Nissan Titan XD diesel Cummins. It's a assist transmission, and the first you need to check transmission fluid level. It's dipstick located here. You just need to push it on this pin. I already remove little more, and transmission must to be hot to check transmission oil level. And we need sucker number 19, and we need transmission fluid and this funnel. I bought transmission fluid from Nissan. This is specification, this transmission oil, and I bought 10 bottles. It means like 10 quarts. Okay, and we need to unscrew it. Plug on the bottom, and this plug located here. We need to unscrew it, this one, to drain all transmission fluid. I have some empty buckets, and I will be draining this transmission fluid to these buckets. Okay, just unscrew this bolt. Oh, it was so easy. And put bucket. And unscrew these bolts. Okay, I unscrewed these bolts, and transmission oil start to drain. Nissan recommended to change transmission oil every 20,000 miles. Okay, transmission fluid is drained, just only maybe some drops fall down to the bucket. And after this we need to put back this. Okay, I already put back this bolt, and right now we need to measure how many oil we drained. Okay, I have 1.5 bucket transmission fluid, and I have empty 5 quarts can, and I will be put inside this can this transmission oil. Okay, I already filled this can. It's 5 quarts, and I have 3 quarters of this bucket. I think its total will be 8. Okay, I'm right now start to fill it and put old transmission fluid to empty this can. Okay, let's do this. Okay, for filling transmission fluid I will be use this deep stick pipe and this funnel. Just put funnel in this inside this pipe and start to fill in. Okay, you can see where is the located deep stick pipe, and I put funnel inside and start to fill. Be careful, don't do this so quickly. After when this can was filled like 5 quarts, and I drain these quarts back to the bucket and use the second bucket, fill it again. It was 2 more quarts, and my total is 7 quarts. Okay, after when you fill in the system, don't forget put back this dipstick. Okay, I already put back this dipstick, and right now it's time to start engine and heating transmission, because we need to check transmission fluid level on the hot. And you can see right now transmission is cold, and we need to heat it a little more. And just in case, check this drain bolt, no any leak here, everything good. And right now you can see transmission start to be hot. It's time to check transmission level. Okay, transmission level is good, everything good, and I put back this dipstick, and that's it. Thank you for watching.